Step number 2, learn the basics of forex trading. Of course, just like any other business or investment, pag meron tayong papasukin guys na isang bagay, kahit pa paano meron tayong mga basic knowledge kung ano yung pinapasok natin para hindi naman tayo nawawala or sabihin na agad natin na scam ito dahil wala tayong sapat na knowledge. Okay? Pero dito sa forex, we need to understand these key concepts like currency pairs, pips, leverage, and lot sizes. Malaking factor to guys sa forex trading. Don't worry, makikita nyo rito sa YouTube or sa ibang TikTok accounts. And pwede na rin kayong join sa amin dahil meron din kami mga free training para po sa inyo. Study how the forex market operates, including its global nature and trading sessions. May mga sessions kasi to guys matututunan nyo to along the way, don't worry. Then, familiarize yourself with common trading terms. Example, bid price or ask price, and then may tinatawag na spread and margin. Don't worry guys, you can attend our free training, free webinar. Message nyo lang ako para maka-attend kayo. Meron tayong mga Zoom or meron din face-to-face guys. So this is step 2.